Good morning, Munaro. My name is Salampal Jakil and my room is 2095 I am Aeronautical Engineering. I am from Institution of Aeronautical Engineering. And my subject data structures. My data structures and my topic is probability distribution of the values of the binary trees. And I am making it a talk video. An integral equation is derived for the generation of the function for the binary tree values. The values of reflecting sorting effect with the analysis does not assume the uniformly distributed effect. Analysis do not seem uniformly distributed branch in the ratios and therefore it is applicable to a family of sorting algorithm discussed by RS. And then when model the solution of the integral equations states the using more advanced algorithms in the family makes only the minor reduction in the expected sorting effects by the sustaining reducing variance in the sorting effect direction. Several authors like Fourier, Singleton, and Elmore and Fraser and the MC Keller have suggested that the sorting algorithm have the features of the relating to the binary trees in which the branching ratios is not a uniformly distributed between the 0 and the 1. Those algorithms are derived from the well-known minimal storage process. 2,5 of the dividing the original list of 3 segments consisting of the respective of the division of original list into 3 segments consisting of the respective testing elements are selected from the list. All elements are smaller than test elements and all elements are greater than or equal to test elements. The AB procedure may then be available requirement to the second and the third segment until the original list has been divided into segments of the unit length has been pointed out. This approach is the most effective to the test elements is always the closed rank of the medium elements segments. Research and Development Center Communication February 1971 of ECM volume 14 number 2. Mathematical analysis the shape of the varieties can be characteristics of value of each definite sum of each point of the tree. Level of that point to level is definitely uniquely the value of 1 point of a tree is 1 and the value of the 2 points of 3.3 can have the value 5 or 6 depend on its shape, while the large trees have the still moderate distributions of the values in general. The number of comparisons required to generate it for the given list equal to the value of the tree n, where n is the number of the points. If we use the reference characteristics, the shape of the tree we have for the value of the n, where v of n comma is equals to n plus v of n1 is comma is v of n2 comma is to this equation on where n1 and n2 are the number of points left and the right branches emerging from the root. The sum of the n1 and n2 is n minus 1. We define a generalizing function of a tree where n points by defining g of gamma eta exponent e power minus v of n comma s to be as follows on the equation. Here p of n and 2s is the probability that the tree of the size is n where having the shape s is the proper series expansion of the g gives the moment of v. G of n comma summation if we assume that the shape s1 and s2 is equations are the statistical and correctly we obtain g of n comma where p of n dash where p of n dash into n1 is the probability that the particular branch of the tree n points will have the n1 points. We have now restricted our attention to the class of the trees. While in the limit large n assumes that the branching probability distribution is symmetric as the p of y, p of 1 minus y. If we replace them If we replace the sum in equation 1 4 by the integral over by, we obtain the integral as follows on the equation. This equation cannot be exceeded to hold accurate unless of n by of n and 1 minus I into n are all the large compared to the integral number. Let us make the hypothesis that this can be uniquely used to obtain the information about the being by the change variable by literal question 6 as shows on the screen. I may 6 the solution equation and in the form of the following the powers expansions, and where b in the c m equals to 0, 1 to so on are the constants by the functioning of the moment of the distribution functions. We obtain the terms of n and n I n n v of minus b n to I n into n plus alpha into 0 n v minus v of v whole square v of v whole dash into c 2 dash into n v minus of v equal to the equal to minus 6 c3 into n. In case as a suitable term of experimental values a1, in case n precise sample size v by n under root delta v square by n cube root of delta v square by n a1 a2 a3 p1 b2 b3 c1 c2 are the cases and universal 0 0 0 1 1 1 2 2 and tree sizes of a1 is 1000, sample size is 20,000 and v by n value 7.478 and as follows on the screen. And a2 values are, for example, in case of a2 system tables are the experimental values. In an associative system in which identical element and g square of every element is identified, the system commutative as p a b c x1 x1 e p of x1 e x1 p of d x1 x1 p of x1 xy x6 not x1 x2 x3 not p x2 x4 xy not p of x3 x4 x6 p of x3 x4 x6 not p of x1 x2 x3 not p of x2 x4 y not x1 x5 x6. Dental of conclusion, number of is required of the minimal of 3, number of spoils taken before the learning, learning the literal count 3 equal the number of solutions is 3, number of spoils taken learning converge is 3 equal no solution is 3. Thank you for giving this opportunity.